Hey, this is Doug. A lot of trains out today. Let's get right to it. Okay, Decatur, Illinois. He has a green, center green down on the signal down the road here, and that'll send him south. How to think about it. Anyway. Running real slow. These long trains that come out of here frequently have to stop. They add on to the back, or they have to wait on a conductor. All right, so he's going to stop right here on the diamonds. Been a lot of traffic here on a Sunday morning. All right, we're moving again on track 1, over on track 2. There comes that other switcher. He's going to block my view of the track 2, but that's all right. Kind of cool to see one train passing the other. And he's going to stop. Gonna go. He'll eventually be backing up. I think they're going into one of the yards here, or into Premiant, which is a corn processor down at the end of the yard, down at the end of the line here. So anyway, you got 2 trains moving at once. This one right here at the front of your screen, he's going to stop at the signal here so he can back up. There's the signal right there. Meanwhile, if you look past this train, you can see a CN sitting there waiting. He's been waiting quite a while. Liquefied petroleum gas. More liquefied petroleum gas. right, here comes that switcher bringing down this train here. corn syrup tankers. Corn syrup is used like as a sweetener in soft drinks. Down into the Decatur and Eastern Illinois yard there. He could be pushing back into Premium as well, but definitely down into the Decatur and Eastern Illinois yard. Gives you an idea how long this other train was on the other track. Recording this on March 5th of 2023. The weather is just very nice. It's low 50s right now at about 11 in the morning. And sunny. By the way, 2 days ago it was snowing here. Not today. No more snow either. Older box cars. That's seen better days. This tanker has seen better days. Wonder if this will have a DPU because it's a really long train and it only had one locomotive up front, if I remember correctly. Vinyl chloride. Gee, what blew up in New Orleans? Not New Orleans, Ohio. East Palestine, or Palestine, Ohio. Vinyl chloride. Vinyl chloride comes through Decatur. A lot of hazardous materials come through the city. This is just an example. These are all vinyl chloride as well. Safe trips, I hope. right, these are a couple of the CN yard units in the CN yard. They've been waiting on this signal here for over an hour. I don't know if they're taking this out of town or whether they're pulling it out to back it in or pulling it out so another train on the other end can take it to the north. Anyway, we're going to see them come across the diamonds here. That CN unit is number 9610. It's a former Illinois Central unit. And behind it is 9620. Yeah, 9620. Also a former Illinois Central unit. Of course, now in CN paint. Oh, this is a short one. So they may be taking it down to Mount Zion where there's a Fuyao Glass Company plant. Definitely no train on the other end of it. If you look, you can see he'll be passing over there a Decatur and Eastern Illinois locomotive sitting there by the building there. Well, he's putting off a little exhaust there that I'm breathing. So a short train that had to wait a real long time. Decatur and Eastern Illinois over there has to wait until that CN train there clears, so he comes out on their track and then he'll back it down into the CN yard. Okay, this one has two NS locomotives on the front. Decatur, Illinois. Large number of auto racks trailing, and it looks like some intermodal behind that. There's a center green. He's going to be heading west.